Hi viewers, welcome to my new video that is on CBSE NCERT syllabus Math 4th. So this is for 4th class mathematics. So if you look at on the screen here, so the first chapter of this textbook is building with bricks. Is building with bricks, and if you see there is a QR code, and if you can install a QR code application in your smartphone, if you can read it, you will get this particular PDF in your mobile also, and you will also get some kind of online resources from these NCERT people. So let us look at the overview of this first unit. The first unit explains about what are the brick patterns, and you may think that what is the connection of these bricks with mathematics. So but at the end of the chapter you will come to know they are introducing you some symbols like square, rectangle, circles, not symbols, shapes like square, rectangle, circles, such kind of things. Okay, we will come to know while we are going through this first unit, first chapter. So similarly here he is giving some of the activities which are mentioned in here, and is asking us to even select what are the things that you can see on the screen, and some of the numericals are also given at the end. Okay, so they have a very good what I can say strategy in introducing you the maths concept with the help of this real-time examples. So at the end they will also give you some calculations related to how many bricks are required, what is the cost of each brick, for this many number of bricks how much is the cost. So such kind of things is given in this first unit. So this is the overview of chapter 1. Okay, so I have downloaded this chapter 1 from the website with the help of this QR code. So I hope you can do that in your smartphone as well. So first thing is brick patterns for Jagriti school. There is a school called Jagriti school. For that the masons at that time they have used some kind of different types of brick patterns. So this is a true story of Jagriti school in Murshidabad, West Bengal. When its building was being made, there were a plan to make brick patterns on the floor and walls. So Jamal and Kalu and PR were the masons for the brick work. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building, so they took their other friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. You can see the photo here. So this is the tomb what they mentioned, Murshid Quli Khan, old tomb. So this building has a big floor with about 2000 beautiful brick patterns. These were made by masons long back, about 300 years ago. And here I will pass. This video I am creating for the sake of class 4 math students who are in state syllabus. So those who are already in central syllabus, they are following NCERT. Those who are in CBSE schools, those who are with CBSE curriculum, if you are also watching, it's well and good. I'm especially making this for the students who are in their state syllabus of their respective states. So especially my son is in 4th class, so I'm doing these videos for the benefit of my son. Okay, and Again, I am telling that others who are watching this video, both teachers and students who are related to CBSE curriculum, you can watch it if it is explanatory, or ignore it if it is not up to the mark at your level. So now look how the bricks are arranged in these 5 floor patterns. This is the pattern 1. So here the bricks are arranged in such a way that they are of one pattern like this. Some bricks are here, okay, and other bricks are like this. So this is one pattern, and this is another pattern. This is the how the pattern is visible to us, okay, and others are like this, okay. And coming to the third one, the third is a different one when compared to the first two. So here we have this kind of structure, and similarly from the other side like this, and in the center some zigzag, okay. And the surroundings are, here we have like this, okay, and this is surrounded by the patterns like this, okay, and the pattern after this is similar, okay, they are just duplicated. And coming to the fourth one, the fourth pattern is it is just like ladder type, 1 2 3 and 4, and in the center they have made a pattern like this. And in the fifth one, it is of arch type. You can see there is an arch here, okay, so there is an arch, and these are the bricks which are available in that arch type pattern, okay. And which floor pattern do you like the most? So which pattern obviously you like the most, it depends upon the person to person, and for me I like the first pattern. The first is always the best, so I like this first pattern. So this is what is the pattern which I like the most, and for you it may be fourth or fifth or something else. So which floor pattern do you like the most? You can write it here first. Have you seen such patterns anywhere? So for me, I can say there is no such patterns, because at my place I could not see these kind of constructions. So the masons, those three whose names are mentioned in the above paragraph, they came back excited. Jamal said, "Ha! In those days, they had made so many interesting brick patterns. We had forgotten these. Let us make some nice designs on the floor of this school." Each mason made a different brick pattern. The school is proud to have such a beautiful building. Children play and sing on it and also make new pattern themselves. You can see in this on the screen some different types of patterns which the masons made. So these are the different types of patterns: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and K. So out of all these patterns, you closely observe, he will be asking us how many types of patterns which are in circle. So he will be asking us how many are in circle shape. So I can say there are only 2 which are in circle shape for us. So I will just draw that here. This is in circle shape, okay. And similarly, can you observe anywhere circle shape? The pattern should be in circle shape. So I could not find one more here from A to F. So I can say to some extent F is looking like a circle, okay. It is not a circle, but it is looking like somewhat near to the circle. Whose shape is I will introduce you later. And here this one J is also a circle in shape. It is looking like a circle, okay. And rest of the others are not. So which pattern is made in circle? one is E and the other one is J. So you can write down that here. So it is a question which is asked to us. So after observing the patterns, which is looking like which pattern is made in circle. So in which pattern can you show a mirror halves? Draw a line. So what do you mean by a mirror half is, so if I draw a line, he's asking us in the question itself, if I draw a line in the middle, so if I draw a line in the middle either like this or like this, so it should be a reflection of that one. It should be just like a mirror image of that one. So if you look at these diagrams, out of all, so how many are in mirror images? So I can say the first one is a mirror image. So if I draw a straight line here, so if you fold it, it is looking like both are same. The diagram which is there on the right side and the diagram which is there on the left side, both are looking same. And of course here you have to see one more. You should not consider this part. Actually that part is also available on the other side, but in the picture it is not visible. And now coming to the this second pattern, so it is also a mirror image. So if you draw a line like this, so it will be a mirror image. So I will go with another color. So if you draw a line, this is not, there is no mirror image in this. So mirror image is not possible in figure C. Okay. And coming to D, this D in D also it is a mirror image is there. So if you draw a line in the middle, it will be a mirror image. Okay. And coming to this, anyway circle itself tells that there is a mirror image. Okay. And here also there is a mirror image, so draw the line. And here in the G, the diagram G, it is a peculiar type of pattern. So you can see that if I draw a line somewhere here, if I draw a line, how many bricks are available on the left side? I mean one row, this 2 and then 3, and if I draw a line here, okay, so there is no mirror image. So it is not at all looking like a mirror image, because here we have bricks like this, here we have bricks like this. Okay, so this is not looking same like this one. Okay, and if I draw a line in the middle of this, so it is looking like a mirror image. So if I draw a line here in the middle, okay, so both are looking like same. And in this, if I draw a line in the center like this, then it is also a mirror image. And anyway, as I said, circle itself tells that it is a mirror image. So if you draw a line in the center, it will be a mirror image. And this is also a unique pattern. You can see it is also a mirror image. So in which pattern can you show mirror halves? So mirror halves are 1, 2, A, B, okay, A, B, D, E, F. Okay, so and then H and then I, and then J and then K. So except in C and G, we have mirror images. So instead of writing all those things, I think it is easily understandable. So you can assume that mirror image is there in A, it is there in B, and then it is not there in C, it is there in D, E, F, D, E, F. It is not there in G, it is there in H, and it is there in I, and it is there in J, and it is there in K also. So now you draw some new floor patterns. So it is for us, this question is for us to draw the new floor patterns. So now you can show your creativity and draw a floor patterns on your own. So choose any pick from this and take it as a reference, and then try to draw it. So